Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a mango Gujarati Kadhi for rice, chapati or puri at your home. So let's start the recipe. Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a mango kadhi at your home. So for the mango kadhi, what you need, here I took fresh mango and I removed the pulp and I grind it in the blender as a smooth paste. So I took one mango. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add this mango pulp in this big bowl. In this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of gram flour, that is the besan. And this recipe is perfect for the roti and puri guys, and even with the basmati rice you can have this kadhi. And here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of besan. And in this, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of thick curd, that is dahi. So I'm using the spoon guys. If you have a whisker, you can use the whisker also to make a smooth paste. So this dish is very famous in Gujarat. So I thought I can share this recipe. And so this is done. In this, I'm going to add half a cup of water. So here I'm adding half a cup of water. So I'm using the same bowl, the mango which I used for mango pulp. And I'm going to mix this thing again. And so after mixing all these things together, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all the masalas like turmeric powder, the chili powder and the salt up to your taste. So how much salt you want. So this is done. It's time to add the masalas. So can you see, here I added 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of the red chili powder, and we have to mix again. And in this I'm going to add some salt up to your taste, how much salt you want. And it's time to add some salt up to your taste, how much salt you want in your kadhi. So the batter is ready and it's time to cook this batter in a pan. So take a pan. In this I'm going to add that batter. No oil. So I'm going to add this batter in this. And after adding the batter, we have to add 1 cup of water, because it should be thin guys. Right now it is very thick and we have to make a thin batter. Usually the kadhi is very thin. So after mixing this one, I'm going to add the water. So I'm going to add 1.5 cup of water. So here I'm adding 1.5 cup of water to make a thin kadhi. So the kadhi, it should boil for another 5 to 10 minutes in a very low flame. Then only we will get a very nice. So remember guys, when we are making kadhi, we have to cook this kadhi in a very low flame. So, and you can see the consistency of the kadhi. So it should be like this. Not too thick, not too thin. Okay. So it should be like this. As I said, we have to cook this curry for 10 minutes in a very low flame until it started boiling. We have to add the tempering. So can you see guys, it started boiling and the color is also become light red in color. So yeah. So again we have to cook this one for 5 minutes. So for the tempering for the curry, here I took a kadai. In this I am going to add 4 tablespoons of ghee. So here I added 4 tablespoons of ghee. In this I am adding this red chili. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, jeera. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, the jeera. And here I am adding this lavang. And I am going to add some fresh curry leaves. So here I added the fresh curry leaves. And in this I am going to add the hing powder. So here I am adding the hing powder. And I am going to add this tempering in this curry. So I added the tempering in this curry. So can you see guys? So after adding the tempering, we have to cook this one for 5 minutes. And in the end, I am adding this janggery, the good, because in Gujarati food, they always add the sweetness. So yeah, so that's why I added the janggery. So if you want to use the powdered janggery sugar, you can use in the end. But I added the thick one, so that's why. It has to be melt the curry. So the curry is ready guys. So this is a perfect side dish for rice, basmati rice, poori and chapati. So we have to soak the roti in this curry. So first we have to keep the roti in the plate. After that we have to pour the curry. Then again we have to keep on roti. Then again we have to pour. That's yeah. So the layer with curry. Same with poori. So here I put the curry in the serving bowl, and here is the basmati rice. So the good combination is the rice, and here I prepared some chapati. So yeah, so you have to soak the chapati in the curry. Yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make mango Gujarati curry at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.